Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can send a gift message on Instagram. So, the sending the gift message is really interesting. So, if you send someone to your friend on Instagram or relative on Instagram, they'll be surprised, and it is pretty interesting. Also, I'll show you. In order to send this gift message or avatar message, yeah, open Instagram, go to one of your DM. Yeah, when you want to send something, just say something like hello. Okay, see here, when you type something, when you type something, you'll have the search bar here only after you type. So you need to tap on this, and you need to tap on this. So other person, they will receive the message something like, see here, this gift message. When they tap on that, this hello gets revealed. So this is a pretty bit interesting. All that you need to do is type something, then click on the search bar, and you can use this hi or gift message, or this type of hi, or you can use this type of avatar image. So when the other person taps, they will get that what is this animation effect. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, just hit a like for this video and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.